What's going on, everyone? Thank you, Bird. Today we are installing a water methanol injection system on my 2016 Hyundai Veloster. We're installing it in the back. So the first thing that we will be doing, drilling the fluid level sensor. We'll go like that, something like that, but inside. It's supposed to be at least 1/3 of the tank down, so like this area. So it's kind of backwards when you do the install. You have to feed the wire through this side from the cap instead of the way that I was trying to do it before. This is probably the hardest part. And then tape this side to this, pull it through the other side. So now we will be mocking up the tank where we want it to sit. I already have everything planned out, so I'm just gonna make it flush with this. There's like a line kind of, and I'm just gonna make this flush with that, and it'll sit something like that. The wires will probably go through this and behind all the plastic. So let's mark our holes and bolt it in. Sure it's lined up. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. All of our holes are marked. So I'll be taking that trim piece out and drilling in them. Oh, removing the trim piece broke all the clips off. Very nice. Alright, got those clips removed. Kind of scuffed up the paint a little, but that won't show. And yeah, we can start mounting it. So now we're drilling the holes that we marked to mount our tank. Oh, we got into some of the foam. Oh, we did. Whoops. Alright, our holes are drilled. Ah, perfect. I'm using washers, so don't worry. Alright, the tank is mounted securely. We can start running line, I guess.